Everyone, I am Nurul Shifana. I have completed Abacus teacher training course in SharpAbacus Learning School. Balancing a career and a family was tough, but the teacher training program at SharpAbacus Learning School changed everything for me. With flexible online and offline training option, now I run my own successful franchisee teaching kids Abacus through engaging and interactive session. The SharpAbacus learning everyone. I am Nurul Shifana. I have completed Abacus teacher training course in SharpAbacus Learning School. Balancing a career and a family was tough, but the teacher training program at SharpAbacus Learning School changed everything for me. With flexible online and offline training option, now I run my own successful franchisee teaching kids Abacus through engaging and interactive session. The SharpAbacus Learning School teacher training program helped me to stand independent in front of all. Our franchisee teaching run by Devi ma'am. She is very good at her work. She provides every knowledge related to all the concept, whether it is customer dealing or dealing, whether it is or networking, and the concept of the abacus. Or else, if we have any sort of doubts or issues, she is very good at her mentorship. Plus, in Sharp Abacus Learning School, there is a fantastic referral bonus program at the teacher training. We believe in at Sharp Abacus, we believe in nurturing each child's unique learning style. Our interactive methods not only improve the mathematical skill, also enhance the concentration and memory power and overall cognitive development of the students. Through Abacus, we can beat the phobia of maths. What is the phobia? Phobia means fear. So, most of the students are facing the phobia of maths. So, by learning Abacus, it will increase the knowledge of power. They can shine in front of all other students. Parents often see remarkable improvements in their children. Confidence and academic program. I had an experience. One of my student in Abacus class had a stammering issues while speaking in the beginning of the class. She had faced so many struggle in pronouncing one number itself. Later on, for past month, I was noticing a major difference in her level of speaking or else level of calculating the answers or else everything. So last past months she had doing her level 1 and now she is continuing with the level 2. I can able to see such a huge difference in her way of pronunciation. Abacus not only develops the concentration of memory power, it also helps in other way. Her speed and calculation was very improved as before. So, Abacus offer numerous benefits. It helps kids perform complex calculation mentally, which boosts their overall math skill. And a regular practice improve the concentration and attention to detail. So basically we have both classwork and a homework flash, which helps the students will improve their speed of maths by doing their homework flash at home. The visual and tactile nature of abacus learning strengthen memory power and recall abilities while solving problem logically and efficiently, develops their analytical skill. Mastering abacus teaching builds self-esteem and confidence in their academic abilities. Join Sharp Abacus and transform your career while making a positive impact on your young minds. Special offers are available now. Don't miss out these offers in our Sharp Abacus Learning School. Thank you.